This is tutorial number 53, and it covers how to do a basic multi-section solid within CATIA V5. To start off, open up a new CATIA V5 part file, and once you've done that, the multi-section solid tool is right here. So what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is we're going to do just a basic one to start out with, and then the next tutorial we're going to be doing multiple ones, and the one after that we're going to be doing advanced multi-sections. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a plane, create an offset plane from it, so we have two planes, create two sketches, and then use this tool to bring them together. So in the last tutorial I showed you how to create the offset planes. So let's click a plane and let's go to the shape design, the generative shape design, and let's offset a plane. So let's click the XY and let's offset a plane that's 200 millimeters away. Click OK, and if you zoom out you can see that we have the offset plane. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a sketch on there, and we're also going to create a sketch on here, and then we're going to bring the two together. So let's go back to the mechanical design, go to the part design, and what we're going to do is start making our sketches. So let's click on this plane here, click sketch, and let's draw a circle right in the middle. So we're just going to do a nice easy basic one at first. And let's make the first circle 200 millimeters in diameter. Now we'll go out, we'll choose the other plane, click sketch, and we'll make this circle in the center again, but this time we'll only make it 20 millimeters in diameter. And we'll go back. So now we have our two sketches that are offset from one another, so we're going to bring them together to make a solid. So let's click the multi-section solid. We'll click one sketch, and then we'll click the other sketch. Click the preview to see if it works, and you can see the preview works. Now when you're doing this, sometimes you're going to have to flip these arrows to get a good result. Now I just flipped one. I'm going to click preview, and there's a problem. And it's going to show you that everything kind of collapses on itself. So you're going to have to flip the arrow. You're going to have to flip the arrow on one of them if you can find it. I think I've lost my arrow. No, there it is. So I'm going to click on that arrow to flip it, click preview, and now it's going to work. So if you ever run into problems with it, you're going to have to play around, toggle with the arrows until everything goes the right way. Now let's click OK, and we've got our part. Now let's play around with some of these sketches. So let's open up the multi section there, and let's click sketch 2, and let's delete the sketch here, and let's move it around a little bit. So let's draw the circle up here and just drag it down a little bit and make it 20 millimeters again. So make it 10 radius, 20 mil in diameter. Go back out, and now you can see that it's kind of offset to the side there. So with the multi-section, what you have to do is create, just in the basic one that we're doing right now, is create those two reference planes, create sketches on each of those planes, and then select them, make sure that you have those arrows going the right way, and then you're able to create an extrude or a multi-section body. Now let's just delete this one, and let's do one with squares. So let's delete it. And let's click this plane here, click sketch, and let's draw in just a quick sketch, one that looks like a square, and we'll go out, and on the offset plane to that, so the XY, let's click sketch, and let's just draw a thinner one, so like a rectangle. So once you have that, go out, and let's do this multi-section again. Click the two sketch profiles, click preview to see what it looks like, and you got them sweeping together to create a solid. Click OK, and you have your part. So for the basic multi-section solid body, what you have to do, like I said, make those two reference planes, and then create those two sketches to bring them together. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the basic multi-section solid within CATIA V5.